Hey guys, so like I promised, I'm just making a video now of the walkthrough that I had of the house before we bought the house. It has the seller's furniture in it, but I didn't think anybody would be interested in it, so it's not like a professional good video, but apparently, according to Instagram, you guys are super interested. So this is the walkthrough. I'm going to be talking over it because I wasn't talking in the video, and if you guys want to see how I renovate each room by room, then subscribe and you will see it. Hi guys. Okay, so this is right when you walk in. It's the front hall. You turn right. You go into this big, huge living room with a piano, which ended up staying, which is really exciting. And then we have the dining room with the stunning, gorgeous windows, which I'm obsessed with. And then the kitchen. The kitchen is going to be renovated in about 6 months. It's going to be the last room we do, depending on how much money I spend on the rest of the house, obviously. If you guys don't know, I'm Kayla Goldstein. I'm an interior designer and I'm renovating my own home finally, so this is a dream come true for me. This is the front door. This is where you walk in. It's like kind of really grand, high ceilings. It's really awesome. I don't think in this video I show you, but all the ceilings are like cedar panels. It's really, really pretty and rustic, and I love it. This is Eitan's room. You can kind of see the ceilings there. That's my son's room. This is my daughter Shira's room that we're going to be doing for her. She's the one walking around. And then here we go into the bathroom. So there's 3 bathrooms in the house. I think all the bathrooms are going to be one video because there's not so much going on in the bathrooms. They're all in pretty good shape. Not too much to reno there. To the left is the linen closet, and then this is the master bedroom. It has a door going off to the porch and stunning windows and a walk-in closet, which I don't think I opened. And then this is the master bathroom. Again, it's just going to be the same video as the other bathroom because we're not going to be changing too much in the bathrooms at the moment. This is walking back. That's my mother-in-law who came to see the house with me. And then we just walk downstairs. So everything is going to be painted light colors. Even the wood paneling is going to be painted light colors, everything except for the ceiling. And I actually met the painter today, right before I videoed this. So it's really exciting. That's the broker. She was showing us the house. And you go downstairs, and this is the playroom with the den. It's going to be kind of like the chill family room area. There's a bar that we're going to be taking out. And then this is the study slash library slash my husband's office, man cave kind of situation. And then this is going to be my office. So the door over there is going to be for my clients to come in, which you're all welcome to be. And then we're going to paint it, we're going to weatherproof it, we're going to set up some really awesome stuff, and it's going to be a really cool office. And then this is the bar that we're taking out, but behind the bar, there's this really cool cellar. If you're into like rustic, really old, antique things, you're going to love this. It's like literally barrels in a stone wall for wine. It's gorgeous. We're using it as storage, but it's a really stunning room and I'm excited to like have fun with it later on when all this is done. So that's going to be the playroom, the den, like I said, the cozy room. And then this is the laundry room, which is going to be getting a makeover so that it's really colorful and bright. If you guys know, follow me, you know that I always like my laundry room to be bright and happy. This is the guest bathroom, so we're going to be painting the walls in here. This is the only bathroom we're doing any painting in. And then you have the guest room, which is right over there. And that's it. That's the house, guys. What do you think? So that's it, you guys. That's my house, the inside of it at least, and it's super, super exciting for me. I don't know if you can tell yet. The lighting in here is terrible. These videos, first videos, are going to be terrible because I have nowhere to shoot them, but we will figure it out because the first room we are doing is my office, which I'm so excited about. So if you want to, the next video coming out is going to be all about the paint. I already started videoing that when I selected the paint colors and met the painter. I'm going to keep videoing throughout the process of painting and how it's coming out, and then I'm going to upload that video all about paint colors and how to pick them and how to, all my tips. If you guys are interested, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. And thanks for watching. Love you.